Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 70 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Moto Watch Lite application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to do it. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the account icon and here you should see a list of my watches, and on it there should be Moto Watch 70. Tap on it to select it. On this page find the remove device button, it's in the top right corner. Then tap on confirm and tap on OK. The watch will disappear from the my watch list. Now we can close the settings, or rather the application, my bad, and we can open the settings. So find the settings icon on your iPhone, tap on it. In settings find the Bluetooth option, and once you find it, tap on it, and here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list there should be Moto Watch 70. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to remove it. And once you're done you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.